I'm driving in Miami, and if anyone knows me, they know that I love to drive. So I have a neon wig on. You know how I feel about wigs too, but I'm doing it. Neon.
We spent the late nights making things right between us. And now it's all.
But you know what? On that note, a lime green car.
It's like my car.
Oh, it's a spider.
Yeah, we kept saying Lambo.
Oh shit.
It's a
Okay.
car.
So guys, if these flashes flash me, I'm gonna look orange as fuck with this spray tan. So, first of all, I haven't. Such high maintenance hair. But it matches Chris's shirt.
Yes.
You guys, if I turn out fucking orange in these pictures, I'll be really upset. I look a bit orange.
I love you, Key. I love you. Go. Go, Mike.
My phone died.
Yo, switch to Lambo. Add the Ferrari. Switch to Lambo. Dave, where's the car?
Ah, yeah.
My phone died.
Yo, switch to Lambo. Add the Ferrari. Switch to Lambo. Dave, where's the car?
Ah, yeah.
Wait. I'm here. Sorry. What's up, brother? What's up, man? Chilling.
I'm selling. I got in for the first week. What do you think? What's going on here? What's going on?
Hi, how are you? So nice to meet you.
Hey, good to see you. Bro, man.